say what happened to me this last month, nothing else can beat that. Nothing else. Everybody knows say Carla and Carly are my world. All when he cuss me, Carla and Carly is my world.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What I want again, Unstoppable family. So people, most of you may remember a shooting incident that occurred recently involving a young Jamaican couple in a section of the United States, where a young mother was shot and killed along with her innocent young baby. The boyfriend was shot and injured. After the incident occurred, the grandmother of the young child took to social media to reveal the identity of the shooter as Dejan Griffiths. The funeral service recently took place. The grandmother is taking to social media once again to dispel rumors that she is responsible for reprisal killings in Montego Bay, Jamaica. She's also dispelling the rumors which are being spread, according to her, by vloggers that she is involved in scamming. People, please take a listen to what the grandmother has to say.
I have an issue for address because these people now make me mourn in peace. They now make me mourn in peace. Trust me. And this is one of the biggest stress in my entire life. And nothing can stop what has happened to me. And people still a try carry me in the ground. Me no know what to do. Me no know what to say. Maybe no want to see blood pressure kill me. Or no want to see me dead. Or no get to no satisfaction. Trust me. Maybe no want to see me dead. For no get to no satisfaction. For them come off of me. Me lose me pitney. Me one pitney when me give birth to. And me 1 gram pitney when me they go try and take care of and lead in the right path and positive direction, and then still depend me. Me no know what to do or what to say. Maybe you no want to see me dead too. Maybe you no want to see people fi kill me too. But nobody now go kill me. The stress alone go kill me. The stress alone na go kill me. Blood pressure. So maybe no now go get what I look for. God, this ya go kill me before anything else. Uno give me blood pressure, uno give me heart failure. Slowly but surely. So no want me to explain because you no want me walk in America free. I mean now walk and look behind my back. Because guess what? Me don't have an ounce of fear. What happened to me? Me not think nothing else on this planet can worse. As me telling you before, me pay for me spot. And my funeral pay for. So if me dead a morning, me like me bury. Me not go pay a bother to nobody on this planet. And nobody not have to walk and pick up collection for me. Cause me set my thing from me come America. Cause since uno have name all over the place, uno me a live for. Uno me a live for, so me go explain myself. You get me? Uno me a live for, so me go explain myself. Me come America, and when me come America 2016, me used to work at Jamaica as a tour guide for 13 years. And me save my money. When me come to this country, me come to this country with 25,000 US dollar. Me no come here broke. Me save my money and come here. And me have $25,000 in my pocket. And the first place me work in this country was a Jamaica restaurant. Me run at the back a wash pot. Me left my good job at Jamaica and come America, they wash pot in at the back part of one restaurant for $250 a week. And me rounded the wash pot, and when me rounded the wash pot, the customer them come in at the shop and turn to my boss and say, no man, you can't have browning on the back. You have to put browning up a front. And I saw me end up as a cashier. And remember a particular person come into the restaurant and said to me, say, at girl like you, I work in a Jamaica restaurant. And me say, as long as when Friday day come, me get me pay in a me hand. Me alright. All if me have to go turn up out on the highway with one sign we say tax over here. I am going to do it for make my money. Me work at Jamaica restaurant. Me work as a HHA. Me work as a CNA until me fi done school. Me not talk me business. At January me fi graduate from nursing school. From me come America, me sit down in a classroom. Me not have time. Sometime. If me get 6 hours sleep, God bless. Me go school 8 to 2 and then me work 3 to 12 o'clock at night. And by the time I reach home 1 o'clock, me have to sleep again and get up back by 7 to go back in front of the computer. Me have 3 class left. Only 3 class to become a nurse in the United States of America. Me have med-surg 2. Me have geriatrics and pediatrics. Me say when me graduate January, I'ma buy myself a house. That was my graduation present to myself. I'ma take me house money and bury my child. You understand? Me come here, me work hard. Me carry me pitney here. Me provide for him, me put a roof over his head. Me talk to him, me cuss him, me fight him. Me do him all kind of sin thing. When Carla'S come down here with Carly, he get one work for $350. And me turn to Carla'S and me say, Carla, why since you go out, they go work for $350 and then you have to go pay daycare, nearly the whole of that. Stay home with Carly. Me will take care of you. Cause corona out there, I mean, I want nothing to do the little baby. Yeah. Me and Pinky don't talk up to the... And when Carla'S get shoot up, me and Pinky talk, ask anybody, cause me cause Pinky, me cause Carla'S. Sometimes I'll call him me malice for sure, no. Me and Pinky not talk to the day of the incident. That's when my heart soften. Cause no care how me talk to them, they no hear me. Typical young people. Typical young people. Me talk, me cuss, me quarrel, me fight. Ask anybody. Call her dey on YouTube, all a cuss me and me forgive her. Cause all of uno where they talk and hype up on yourself. Uno worse to uno parents. But the greatest part about it is, I am a forgiving mom. Cause me can't know say, me don't get to eat steak and shrimp. And him take up his phone and say, Mommy, me not have no food. And me alright with that all when him just done cuss me. Me came. Me tell them say, Carla, I am responsible for Carly. When it comes to clothes, shoes, me take out college fund. Me say, Carla, Carly now go grow up bad in America. As soon as I am finished with school in January, I'm gonna take Carly from you. And she said she don't have a problem. Me say, Carla, if you go to church at Sunday daytime, Carly, if you live good, I'm gonna take Carly, I'm gonna bring Carly to restaurants and make Carly know nice stuff. That means to say when she's grown, nobody can trick her with anything. Me say you big already, you and your man can fend for yourself. Uno is alright. Me go take care of the little baby. When you see me take a vacation or go a one party, me dey in a party, me a fret. Me a say, me have a test tomorrow. Me have a double tomorrow at work. When me go wake up, me have clinicals. It's like that. I am not contented when I'm out. Me show up once a while, put on my clothes and go out. Cause me have a plan and it was gonna be executed. Me say as of January, I will be working way much more money than I am working now. So I'll be able to take care of myself to the best of my ability. People class me all different type of way. But I say to myself, Jesus died on the cross to save the world. In come here, in turn water into wine, in heal the sick, in make the blind can see, in use 5 loaves and 5 fishes and feed multitudes, and people still put him up on the cross and crucify him. Who am I? But you know where my heart space is right now? I am not afraid. I am not afraid. Because I say what happened to me this last month, nothing else can beat that. Nothing else. Everybody knows say Carla and Carly are my world. All when he cuss me, Carla and Carly is my world. You get me? Enough time people said to me, say, look how him behave with you, look how him do this and look how him do that, and you still forgive him. And I turn to them and say, my heart can't give me for no say. Me down your so, and me live happy, and if somebody see me on the road and beg me a 50 or 100, I can give them. And she they suffer and she come from here so. And me continuously forgive him. And as me telling you before, at the incident make me and Pinky talk. Me malice Pinky throughout everything and Carla'S. And me can tell you this. Pinky never cuss me in front of my face. He cuss me behind back. But Carla'S cuss me in front of my face. Then put me on YouTube, say me a scammer and me a this and me a that. I never ever take up a paper and dial in my life, nor have I ever collected a scam money in the United States of America. Hard work and dedication. Sometimes I do 16 hours, sometimes I do 18. I saw me do it. Cause enough time I lay down and I say, you know, so I could have there work and make one money. And I saw me push out and do my thing. You understand? Me there in my morning. People they send me all kind of sin thing in my inbox. Oh, me a this and me a that and me fi dead and me fi this and me fi that. Let me say something to y'all. If me dead, me go bury and bury well. Cause me pay for it already. I am not afraid. Y'all be threatening me over what? After no wicked to me, and wicked to my child, and wicked to my grandchild. He who haven't sinned cast the first stone. Cause all of who they hype up themselves worse. The greatest part about it is, I bury my child and I bury her well. And if me that a morning, me go bury well. I will pay for already because I work hard and save what I work for. Then put me on YouTube, oh me they pay for this, me I pay for that. Montego Bay is one of the most volatile cities in Jamaica. Every incident happen now is gonna be Lataya. Every incident happen in a Montego Bay. Only they go on like say Montego Bay was this nice, Christian, decent environment. Anything happen, so one incident happen, this blogger boy take up my name, they call up my name, oh, me the instigator, me the pay man, and me the this and me the that. Me not have time for that. Me lose my pitney and me wally and sit down pan them at 2 knee and pray. Cause guess what? A God hands be a left in. Me hear all kind of sitting pan road. And As a detective and the US Marshal said to me, say, hearsay can't go a court and me no work with hearsay. Me I left it in the hands of the American justice system. Yeah. The American justice system, me I left it in a feed them hands to do them work. Cause me come here and me no illegal and me pay my taxes. So at them me I depend pan. Me no have time for foolishness. You know want me walk in a fear and I'm not. Me now walk and hide because there's a man that sit high and look low. This happened to me and me put it in my head say it is for a reason. One, maybe it is gonna bring me closer to God. Two, maybe I'm gonna be an advocate for mothers who have lost children in tragical situations. Or three, maybe I'm gonna be here to help somebody who is in need because I don't have nobody right now to stretch a dollar to. So I look at it in positive ways, regardless of me lying here and moaning and can't have the strength to raise me on. Or even get up out of bed to take a shower or have a meal. And that me I tell you no. So when they come talk about how people they instigate and this. I don't have time for that. See who me pray today. The man up above. Me tell you no plain and straight as since the incident. Me have it in my heart to forgive Pinky because me always never talk to him or her. And then me 3/4 of the time me and Carla no friend. Cause me say Carla, what you do with the life? What you this? What you that? Typical mother that cares about their child. You get me? Me not afraid. I'm not scared. So all who want use fake page and text me fi dead and me fi this and me fi that. That's fine. What have been done to me has been worse than anything else have ever been done to nobody. I two me lose at once. And that's my only child. I can't have another. And enough things me see in my inbox. I may not even have time sometimes to answer my close friends and family. They might have say, boy, I don't want to answer them. But they have to understand. Because at the end of the day, I rather to just lie here and just think where this world is going to lead me next. What are my plans? What am I doing? I talked to Pinky when Pinky got hurt. What you guys wanted me to do? Malice him? Cuss him? Fight him? No. In losing family too. Carla won't choose him. That's his family. What must I do? I don't have my name on YouTube. It's blogger man or body should they pay this and pay that. I'd rather go donate it to the Orange County Police Department. I'd rather go donate my money to the US Marshal org. I'd rather go donate my money to the FBI for solve crime. Can't you see me here? I'm a very forgiving person. You get me? I'm gonna listen to street talk. I'm gonna listen to hearsay because a lot of people will lead you astray with this. See deadliest weapon here? Your tongue. People chat all kind of shit. What no one talk about me is fine. But that's the type of person that I am. And afraid make me come out and do the live. Cause as me shown you before, I purchased my spot. And I have a funeral package. If me dead a man in my mother bingo. Like me I tell you no. If my eyes shut a man in my mother bingo. And can alright for the rest of my life. Cause me set myself like that in the United States of America. Uno see me, me no careless, me no show off. Me can show certain things and I don't. Me work hard. Me work every holiday. And but my birthday alone, me say no, me not go work. I no have my name on me, I pay for the every shooting in a Montego Bay right now. For me name then call. For what me do no? What me do? I no like say me rich or me have nothing. Me have to get up every day and work. Me struggle. Me have life hard as simple as you know see me here. Me a one of the broke look good person. Always broke. You get me? When I went to Orlando to find my child, I was the one. Cause I'm always a concerned parent. The Tuesday morning, I called my daughter all morning. I didn't get through to her. Me call her because me I type of mother, me wake up a morning time, and when me wake up a morning time, me get up, me call her, me say, call her, wake up a baby, I feed him. Uno give him food yet, uno bathe him, comb him ear, change him diaper, I saw me stay when it comes to Carly. Me call her the morning, me call her the morning, me call her, me can't get her. For show you, me not even have Pinky number. Me never have Pinky number. I search and call people and find him and try call him. And when me call him, me not get him. And me left a message on his phone and me say, look here, I am calling the Orlando Police Department because you kidnapped Carla and Carly. So look out for the police coming. That for sure you, me and Pinky they no friend. And me keep on calling and me end up and me call 911 from Miami. Me. And when me call the police them say, ma'am, this is an emergency hotline. And me say, yes, it's an emergency. Because me normally would hear from me pitney and me no hear from her. And they say, okay, I'm going to transfer you to Orange County Police Department. And then give me the sheriff number. Me call the sheriff and the sheriff turned to me and said, ma'am, they are young people. You know, sometimes they don't want to answer their parents. Did you and her have an altercation? Me say on a daily basis. Cause me cuss call a morning, noon and night. All when he not do me not, me just get up and cuss him. And so me stay because me wanted the best for her. Me just wake up every day. Sometimes me call him and cuss him. Me see how much people want the opportunity to come and murder you sit down. And he take it for joke. Sometimes he say, mommy, he come like say, your band just say cuss me. All when me right, you say me wrong. All when me right, you say me wrong. Cause me cuss him morning, noon and night. Me say, we are doing the like. Me say, Carly, alright, you know. You don't worry about Carly. Look about yourself. And the Orlando sheriff say, ma'am, they are young people. Sometimes they don't want to answer your parent. Me say, no, officer. If I cuss her 5 minutes ago, I'm a call her, she's going to answer the phone for me to see the baby. She is going to answer the phone. Something's definitely wrong. I am begging you, please go and check. Please check on her for me. This is not Carla. Cause me coulda just class and place him. As me take up his phone, he answer it and he hand it to Carly. I don't save her name as Carla on my phone. Me save it as Carly baby. And the police them go over, they go check. They call me back in about 15 minutes and I was in class. And when they call me back, they say, it is sad to say, but there was a shooting at the apartment and Jordan got shot, but we don't know where your daughter and your granddaughter is. Me are telling us, my heart sink. Me jump up for around on my computer, me grab my key and jump in on my car with me say, when they travel to Orlando, I'm more than 10 accidents on the road. One ratted rain come down, it white so till me can't see and with me still continue to go up. Cause me say something not right. For sure, not even Carla address me now, you know. You know me get Carla address? When him and the girl, they have the altercation and the girl posts her address. I saw me get Carla address. Cause them they sit them not even business. I saw me get Carla address. And when me reach at the apartment, me head over the apartment. And me look. And the neighbor them come out and say, shooting happening and something and something. And one of the neighbor turned to me and say, but I see the car took its time and it drove out of the apartment. So, I don't know. Me even they turn to me say, I wonder if a Pinky and Carla up there they fight. And Carla shoot Pinky. I'm afraid for call me with Carly. And that me when they say in my mind. Me I say, Jesus Christ, me have to go pay a commissary for Carla right now. Me say me have to go pay a commissary for Carla. Because Carla shoot Pinky and afraid for call me. Cause they up there they fight. Me never when they expect this. Me can't tell you no that. And me there the apartment in the night and me a search bush everywhere. Me a say, Carla, send me a sign. Send me a sign, please. Send me a sign. Where you take, Carla? Me start search. Me end up at one jail like at the prison. When me go at the gate, the guard say, this is not the police station. This is the prison. Then give me one next address. Me have to drive one next 3 miles down the road to find the police station. When me do find this, the sheriff office lock. So one car they come through the gate and me flag down the officer. And me say, officer, please, I'm begging you, help me. My daughter and my granddaughter is missing. I heard that her boyfriend was shot. I don't know which hospital he is. I don't know nothing. Please, me I beg any man go in and care and go up on his computer. And when he go up on his computer, he pull up his name and he tell me the hospital where Pinky there. And me say thank you. And he say, he don't see nothing. No report concerning my daughter or my granddaughter. Head to the hospital and say me can't talk to Pinky. When I got to the hospital, they didn't even have a name for Pinky because he came in unresponsive. He couldn't respond to tell them not even his name. They have him under John Doe. They have him under John Doe. This person they ask if him a gunman. Whether him a gunman, thief or not, that ain't have nothing to do with the rising price of salt or flour. All that we have with you. I'm just saying. So the negativity, it no matter now. Me lose out the most. Negativity no come in now. Enough I will lay down. With gunman and thief. I lost the most. These kids don't listen to their parents. And left them parents in mourn. When me get to the hospital, at John Doe, they have Pinky under. Pinky not here neither. Pinky a 20-year-old like Carla. The whole of them are pitney. They have him under John Doe and can't talk, and can't tell me what happened. Me say alright then, Pinky get shot and there so. If Carla get shot, they would have her at a baby and mother hospital. As some me I think. Me drive out the whole of Orlando. Is Masania Malcolm and Jordania Reed admitted at this hospital? No. Is Masania Malcolm and Jordania Reed admitted at this hospital? No. I drove until 4 a.m. the morning. Me end up get a hotel. And me couldn't sleep. At 6 o'clock come, me up again. Me go at the the apartment again and call 911. Then come them and say, Mom, you have to file a missing report. Me start cuss up some bad word and go on bad. and cuss off the police. Then me say if he get shot, something happened to my daughter and my granddaughter. Me feeling and my belly, something happened to them. And me now move. It's me they go call Fox News, me they go call CNN, me they go call every news channel in America till you no help me find me pitney. And I saw when me look, me see detective start pulling, this start pulling, cause me start going bad. The grace of God make Pinky wake up. And when Pinky wake up, then contact the police. And then tell them if he take out the oxygen, he want to say something. And he go so, Carla get shot. And the police say, who shoot you? And he holding hand crossing heart so, and say, my friend. And I say, which friend that? And he said, the one where we in at the house with we. Me said, Jesus Christ. At that time, the police, them confirm, say, Carla was hurt. A 2 car they have. They have one where broke down and a new one where Pinky mother took out. The car had payment. So therefore, there was a tracker on that car. So the detective said, okay, we're gonna track the car and see where the car is with the dealer. The dealer tracked the car, and when the dealer tracked the car, I was standing in the apartment. When me look, forensic team pulling, FBI pulling, US Marshal pulling. Me see everybody a put on them jacket. Me say, bombaras clot. Something no right. Me see everybody down at the bottom part, congregated together and talking. When me look, me see everybody moving towards me. It come like say, me in a one different world, like me a float on the cloud. And the lead detective come to me and say, Miss Reed, we found the car. And we found Jordania and Masania deceased. Me I tell you, say, me run across the road, that one car lick me. When me run out in that blood clot, the car lick me. Me run straight in a one car. When me find out, say, me pitney and me grand pitney dead. Me couldn't imagine that in my worst enemy I experienced this. I'm still they get persecuted. My name still the palm bloggers. Who no still in my inbox and cuss me and fight me and say me if it dead. What have I done to you? I me do uno. And when I'm in inbox and cuss me. If one pin drop a man to go be, then go see me. Anything happen, then they call my name. What me do no? Me just ask. Me never have to do this because me no owe nobody no obligation. But me still have to ask. After all that I have been through and still going through and will forever be going through, what have I done to you? Me is a realist and I am a straightforward person. And I'm telling you this. Enough talking me here up on the street and me no listen. Cause here say can't go to court. And a lot of people will mislead you just for you to stray from the facts. I, Lataya, is waiting on the United States justice system to hold on to Dujan. When Dujan is caught and interrogated, then they'll do the rest. It's not up to me. My motto in a life always is an eye for an eye. We all end up blind. A life for a life. We all end up dead. That's my motto. So me no want nobody come call me name about reprisal and about this and that. An eye for an eye, we all will be blind. A life for a life, we all are gonna be dead. Me and my family at Jamaica too. All people that mix me up in a reprisal, and my father, my defenseless father is there. My family is there. Somehow we make it out, somehow we didn't, somehow they be still there. So me go take up badness by my head. At 2 times me see Pinky. Me see Pinky funeral day. And me see Pinky when he in a hospital. He is the father of my grandchild and he is the boyfriend of my daughter. That's what she chose. Every man have a right to decide his own destiny. I didn't say that about Marley. And she chose him. So if you don't want to continue to threaten me in my inbox, be my guest. As I told you before, my funeral has been paid for. And any hour me dead a morning, my mother bingo. My mother bingo. Yeah. These bloggers like, I know your job is to talk, which is fine. Everybody have a different job description. Some of we are lawyers, some of we are doctors, some of we are speakers. But get y'all facts straight. Everything the mother involved, the mother this, the mother. The mother is always the last to know. Learn that. If people on this live and Montego Bay and in Miami area wish to talk the truth, my daughter personally blocked me from her page. When in the pan live, I cuss with the little friend them, a people screenshot it and send it go give me. When they screenshot it and send it come give me, then me class him. And he must say, Mommy, you not even know how it start, you give me wrong. Now me say, yes, Carla, me have to give you wrong. Because if you never go on a full roost, it wouldn't shit by you. Me have to give you wrong. Carla never write for me yet. Never. Carla never write for me yet. I'm about him a scam and this and that. A scam and call me every day for money. Scam and me have to pay in car payment. Scam and me have to pay in rent. What a broke scammer. Scam and me have to buy Carly clothes. Scam and me have to buy them food. Come on. You see a lot of us are branded because of our past and our previous environment. Me come from Glendevon or Green Pan, I am gonna be branded as a skettle or as a bad man woman. All when you know for bad man, then say, oh, that girl they are skettle and that girl they are this and that girl they are that. Me like naked clothes. Until God call me go walk naked. So if I that no use and I try analyze my life, y'all got it wrong. Everybody like different stuff in life. Some walk naked, some conservative. Some are Christians, but yet they are prostitutes. And some of us in the street that you see walk naked don't have a lot of body count. What no want me to do? Me tell you no play no straight. Me not hide. Me not walk and me not in a fear. If I saw God to call me home by the hands of the perpetrators. That's just it. You see, to the way how me feel personally right now, maybe that will even feel better. Every day me wake up, it come like me can't breathe. It come like me heart heavy in my chest, like all when me drink tea, you know, when you have gas and the gas lodge right there, so I saw me heart feel constantly. My belly just feel weak. Like me have diarrhea, like if me pass gas me that mess up myself. I saw my belly feel every single day. Me mouth dry, me no drink, me no yam. Me lose 20 pounds in a month. I no still upon me. Maybe I'm my destiny. Cause some of us have to end up bad. So maybe this a party of me. Bad road. Me never choose that. Me run from volatile environment. Not because I was involved, but because I wanted better. Me tired of wake up at night time and hear gunshot. Me tired of come see police block off road. So me say, me I try come America and live a better life and change. Change my environment and change and try live better. And it worse, it better me sit down up at Glendevan. It better me sit down up there. Better me sit down up there, Carla would be alive. Because, as me telling you before, me hurt. That's why I come and talk. Because me know say, no go so. From funeral day, me no move. Me no know if do what me go do. Me no work in a 1 month. And me bless. Me no work in a 1 month and my company still pay me. Cause of how you live. Me lie down in my bed and me still get pay. Me no know if I move. Alright, what? Me not even know today hour. If me no look at my phone, me no know cause me just lie down and lock up by myself. Me don't know if I do. Me don't know if I go to grocery store go get grocery. I don't know if I should go to the store to buy something. I just don't know what to do or how to move forward. Today is in the week and today I would be at this present moment at work. Me that day I work and take a break and call me baby on FaceTime. I used to lie down by me damn self. Secluded from the world. Then put up like they want compromise me safety. Oh, Pinky there me yard and this and that. Me can't tell her that. You see that little boy there? All when Carla cuss me behind in front of my face, him cuss me behind my back. He afraid to even come near me. Because he think that I blame him for what happened to them. And I am not like that. Put him all Pinky, he have Pinky the eye them. He have him family them. He have him family them. And his friends. Pinky afraid of me. Cause he fear that I am blaming him for something. So him fear me in a one little sense. Can't stop the bloggers them from talk shit about me. But if you not talk the right and proper thing, then me would have, cause me feel away, you know? Me feel away. Me feel away on the chat about 10 people get shoot up. Me not even know where they go on to Jamaica if you know what they happen. And the mother this and the mother that. What the mother have to do with it? What the mother have to do with everything? Why the mother? What me couldn't not talk and always say Carla'S me always talk to Carla, me always cuss Carla, me always cuss Pinky. And that enough to talk about me. One time a year and mash me and call and not chat. Cause I not that me when want fame. Here and mash me not chat to me pitney because me not like going to live on the and the idiot life. When me go see the apartment, at the first me they go up a Carla'S and I went in dead. And when me go up there because somebody would come and say, look where Carla'S left in yard to come live. Me not live a shaky place America. People say they owe me this and me that and me real. Me not live a shaky community. For you come through my gate to the bank camera. Straight till you left. Other day me dash you one paper. In a me complex. And when me look a letter me get under me door. For $75 for literal. Littering. I said to myself when me drive in where Carla'S live. Me say Carla'S really left in good yard. Come yes I can't live. Me dey go up the step them and me afraid. Me no better off than people, but me not left Jamaica and come live certain life America just to say me live a foreign. Me not do it. First me go back a me yard. Cause me need to live shaky at Jamaica. Me shorty, you say a pinky cause me daughter dead. Yes, but me forgive him. If a that you say young miss, that's fine. Somebody go cause somebody dead at some point. Me shorty, I forgive him. If that's your opinion. Everybody have a right for an opinion. You say so, but I am a forgiving. I forgive him. Me forgive him. When me go there walk around with hurt in my heart towards that little boy and him Carla'S when chose. Me forgive him. Me forgive. The only person me can't forgive is Dojan Griffiths. An eye for an eye. If me now take up my phone and say, yo, kill people for Carla and Carly, what type of person would I be? An eye for an eye, you all end up blind. A life for a life, you all end up dead. And me go repeat that till the day me dead. An eye for an eye, you end up blind. A life for a life, you end up dead. If me that go take up my phone and say, kill people at Jamaica for me pitney. Want to me father, want to me cousin them, want to me uncle them, no excuse me language. Me a place to put them, it have to stop somewhere. And anybody wants to me an informer, be my guest. I'm working with the law. And a them me I work with. Cause them a help me and them a protect me. Then come a funeral, then give me police escort, then drive behind me. Me there me yard every 2 minutes me see one car pull up. And them me I work with cause them a protect me. And then say, mother, if you feel away, give us a call. All when I know nobody. When me go up to Orlando and me drive in at the complex, me I repeat it. Me say, Jesus Christ Almighty God, I wake Carla'S left in yard, come live at them a place, yeah. And he having nice house. Me give Carla'S my master bedroom. And bathroom, cause me say have a baby. Me try. Ask anybody a man to go be a Jamaica, me take care of my pitney. Everybody run me and left for them like a pussy. Me run with for me. Me run with him. And give him green card and take care of him. So if him come big and want choose in life, it's up to her. What me go do? Get up there, eat pinky me for eat him. And that you know what me for do? Eat him for what? Me tell you before. The first day me chat to Pinky at the hospital. And the second day me see my funeral. The only thing he do is text me. And check for me. If you eat him, What no want me fi do? And they come try set me up. And cause me live America and me protected right now, I can't tell you that much. But what happened to my defenseless family in Jamaica? Oh, me go set up people in a Jamaica and my family them down there. I live a roadside. Oh, me no wicked to me so. Why? Why? Me have to ask the question why me can't mourn in peace. My doctor tell me say not even talk loud. Cause my pressure so high. Me not supposed to talk loud. But me have to come talk. Funeral day, my neck nearly broke. Me lean over the casket. And when me lean over, the reel where they carry down the casket, reel up me ear in a it and hold me neck. Me feel me neck. Me can't breathe. Me don't know who tear out the ear out of me head after the casket let go. And nearly 15 car crash at funeral. Car just a lick, so car just a lick, car just a lick, car just a lick. Me end up at the hospital. Me just come out of hospital. And people are send me stuff. Oh, no have me over YouTube. Oh, the mother sent to go shoot up man at Jamaica and 10 people get shot and all kind of same thing. So me they go shoot up man and me no protect my family. Me have so much money to go shoot up man. But me not have the money to go protect, remove my family from danger. I have so much money to be sent for reprisal. But yet, I don't have money to protect my immediate family that is in Jamaica. Oh, no, give me a chance to mourn. Please, I'm kindly begging. This is the worst thing that can happen to anybody on this planet. Me would want no experience it kind of good. A good me there so can talk to no. Enough time I little in here and me I say, holy gosh, I'm mad. My head just feel like it go explode. Like my head just tell me say, take off your clothes and run down the road naked. Me I say, Kasha, that no sound logical. Holy, don't mad. Holy, don't mad. Just holy, no mad. No mad, Kasha, no mad. Me inna the talk to myself. No mad. No mad. Holy, no mad. I thought me have to do. Me have to try keep my sanity. I have to be trying to stay sane. Holy gosh, I'm no mad. Cause Carla with me little company. I'm a company them. Them are my friend. Them are my everything. All when Carla cost me. He a baby impregnant and he cost me. I'm in malice man when he soon have baby. And he take up a phone and say, Mommy! Mommy! Carlin have no clothes. Jump up same time and shot was grass and start shop. Kind soon have baby. He call me say, Mommy, calling on diaper. Me text him me card. Say, buy Carla'S stuff. If he ain't doing a life because she choose who she wanna be. In cussing galang bad. In going like him bad and he no bad. Me can't tell you that. I wanna afraid this thing on the planet. He afraid of dope, he afraid of life, but he only have mouth. So if he ain't deserve that to not tell me. If you ain't little mouth, all I don't know is your mouth, he have 3/4 things that me call a shit talk, no go so. 3/4 things in talk, not even go so. 3/4 things that pinky talk and post and go on like them, but not even go so. I have no control of the universe or what is happening or what will happen. But I can promise you this. I don't condone violence. I don't condone violence. Because when you do condone violence, it come right back round and bite you in the ass. Because at the end of the day, my family is still there. Why would I be condoning violence? I can vouch for myself. I can personally vouch for myself that I don't condone violence. I don't have the strength to drink liquor water, much less you go take up my phone and call people. Almighty am I. Almighty am I. If I was so mighty, I wish I had the powers to go up to Forest Land Cemetery and say, Carla and Carla, no come, me come for no. That's all the powers I need at this present moment. That is all the powers me need. Me don't need powers. Because if me say, do this or do that, and things happen to people, those people are not responsible for the death of my children. Innocent lives will be taken. Those people are not. Dujan Griffiths was the man behind the trigger. Dujan Griffiths. And from the day I found out that it was him, I announced it. Cause you not kill me pitney and me silent. I am sorry. He is the man behind the trigger. He is the one responsible for the murders. And that's all I'm gonna say. And that the blogger them for run with. Run with it. Put up in picture. Post in picture at Jamaica. Post it on YouTube and stop run with foolishness. And that uno bloggers run with Dujan Griffith's picture. And find him. And collect the 15,000 and call me and make me go no one additional money on top of it. Me have 23 seconds left and me can't tell you no this. This cease from calling my name.
Well, there you have it, Unstoppable family. The mother has spoken out about losing her daughter and her grandchild. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this situation. I will be looking for your comment. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.